Have you ever twisted open an Oreo biscuit, dipped it in milk, and wondered how it was made? Those small chocolate biscuits may look simple, but behind every Oreo is a highly advanced factory process. Today we are going inside an Oreo biscuit factory to discover how these famous sandwich biscuits are made, from raw ingredients to the final packaged product ready for stores around the world. Oreo is one of the most popular biscuits on the planet, enjoyed in more than 100 countries. Millions of Oreos are produced every single day, and each one must taste exactly the same. Let's see how this consistency is achieved. Step 1. Selecting the raw ingredients. The Oreo making process begins with carefully selected ingredients. The main ingredients include wheat flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, salt, and leavening agents like baking soda. Wheat flour forms the base of the biscuit. It is delivered to the factory in large quantities and stored in silos to keep it clean and dry. Sugar adds sweetness, while cocoa powder gives Oreo its rich chocolate flavor. The cocoa used in Oreo biscuits comes from cocoa beans grown in tropical regions such as West Africa and Southeast Asia. These beans are roasted, ground, and processed into fine cocoa powder before arriving at the factory. Each ingredient is tested for quality before production begins. Step 2. Mixing the dough. Once the ingredients are approved, they are measured using automated systems to ensure accuracy. The flour, sugar, and cocoa powder are added to industrial mixers. Vegetable oil, salt, and baking soda are then added to the dry mixture. Powerful mixing machines blend everything together until a thick, smooth dough is formed. This step is very important because the texture of the dough directly affects the final biscuit. The dough must be soft enough to shape, but firm enough to hold its structure during baking. Step 3. Shaping the biscuits. After mixing, the dough moves to the shaping section of the factory. The dough is rolled out into thin sheets and cut into small round shapes using special molds. These molds also press the classic Oreo design onto the surface of each biscuit. The edges are shaped into the familiar patterned rim that makes Oreos easy to recognize. Once shaped, the raw biscuits are placed onto a moving conveyor belt and sent toward the ovens. Step 4. Baking in industrial ovens. The biscuits enter large tunnel ovens that stretch across the factory floor. Inside the oven, the biscuits are baked at carefully controlled temperatures for several minutes. During this time, moisture evaporates, and the biscuits become crisp and firm. The baking process also enhances the chocolate flavor and gives the biscuits their dark color. Step 5. Cooling and inspection. Freshly baked biscuits are very hot and fragile. They must cool down before further processing. The biscuits travel along long cooling conveyors where air circulates around them. This prevents cracking and helps them reach the right texture. After cooling, any biscuit with cracks, uneven color, or incorrect shape is removed from the line. Only perfect biscuits move forward. Step 6. Preparing the cream filling. The filling is made mainly from sugar and vegetable oil. These ingredients are mixed at high speed until the mixture becomes smooth, fluffy, and creamy. A closely guarded formula gives Oreo cream its unique taste and texture. The exact recipe is a trade secret and known only to a few people. The finished cream is transferred to special machines for filling. Step 7. Assembling the Oreo sandwich. Now comes the most iconic step, making the sandwich. One biscuit is placed on the conveyor belt with its flat side facing up. A precise amount of cream is deposited onto the center of the biscuit using automated nozzles. Another biscuit is gently placed on top, forming the classic Oreo sandwich. The biscuits are lightly pressed together to ensure the cream spreads evenly without overflowing. Fun fact, the cream is always applied to the bottom biscuit. Step 8. Final quality control. After assembly, the Oreo biscuits go through another round of inspections. Weight sensors check that each biscuit has the correct amount of cream. Vision systems confirm proper alignment and appearance. Any biscuit that does not meet the strict standards is removed immediately. This ensures that every Oreo tastes the same, no matter where it is sold. Step 9. Packaging the biscuit. Once approved, the Oreo biscuits move to the packaging area. They are stacked and arranged into plastic sleeves to keep them fresh. The sleeves are then sealed to prevent air and moisture from entering. Multiple packs are placed into branded boxes and labeled with production details. Step 10. Distribution to stores. From the factory, Oreo biscuits are transported by trucks and ships to supermarkets, convenience stores, and online retailers. Thanks to careful packaging and quality control, the biscuits stay fresh for a long time. Within days, they reach store shelves, ready to be enjoyed by customers. So, that's how Oreos are made inside the factory. If you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.